Mwat Legacy Initiative conducted a sensitization campaign on the recommended precautionary measures against the COVID-19 outbreak that is presently on the increase in Nigeria. The advocacy team, headed by Dr. Balbasati Ibrahim, who is a stakeholder in the foundation, flagged off the campaign at the famous Ongwar-Telakawa area located within the state metropolis, where a health expert, Hajia Fatima Bello-Gumi, lectured a gathering of 50 selected women who were trained on the preventive measures against the disease, with the agreement that they will in turn go house to house and enlighten other women within the community. In her goodwill message delivered by Dr. Balbasati Ibrahim, the founder of Mwat Legacy Initiative and wife of the Sokoto State Governor, Hajia Mariam Meru Amin Waziri Tambuwal, emphasized the need for personal hygiene practices, environmental sanitation, social distancing, and the stay-at-home measure to avert contact with potential carriers. She also advised members of the public to take precautionary measures against meningitis, tuberculosis, malaria, and infant mortality and morbidity commonly prevalent in this period. Founder's remarks. Her words. Indeed, it is true the world appears to be confronted by this virus and other health consequences. I am perturbed. The fate of lost children, the homeless, mentally affected persons on the streets, normal victims in children and adults, street children, the vulnerable elderly, the homeless blind, that child with special needs, the inmates in correctional facilities, that cripple on the streets, the senile and elderly and homeless lepers. Humanity matters. As we stay safe and wash our hands, our hearts go out to all those who have been affected by the COVID-19 outbreak, and pray to Almighty Allah to protect us all. Meanwhile, I urge us all to maximize this dictate to sit at home, a basis for sober reflection on our collective humanity. Where did Nigeria get it wrong in healthcare provision, social welfare, and basic amenities for its citizens? Hajia Mariam Tambuwal also charged frequent travelers to subject themselves to medical examination and required tests on arrival from other parts of the country and beyond in order to remain safe and halt further spread of the pandemic. The team then proceeded to some strategically selected Almajiri schools, where the students and their teachers were also